guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash, or you can call me Gingy, and this is my channel, awk.gingy. Don't know why I started saying that, but it is what it is. Today's video, as you can tell from the title, is going to be my empties video, so it's going to be products that I've used up completely, and I've been saving my trash for this moment. So let's just jump into it, and I'm going to start with what's on top of my little bucket here, which is bleach. This is the Ion Color Brilliance line from Sally's. I had a tub of this. I completely used it all to do this to my hair. Is it perfect? No. I do like that bleach. I used it all through college when I started bleaching my hair, so I know it works. And with that, I used a developer. This is the Ion Sensitive Scalp N40. That's a very extreme developer. Most people go for like 20 or 30, but I know how my hair is. Then I have another 41 because I ran out. If I do plan on doing any more blonde in my hair, I will pick that up again just because I do like it. But next up is the Anastasia Dewy set. This was their setting spray that came out in the summer, or was it spring? Whenever the Riviera palette came out, this is when this came out. I already purchased another one of these. I love it. It's very like, it just feels nice on the skin. I really do like it. The spray's a little strong. It's not the finest mist, but I like how it makes my skin look. I actually didn't use any today, and I should have, but I'm using the Anastasia Luminous Foundation, and the Luminous Foundation with this just makes you look so dewy and beautiful, in my opinion. You're gonna come across a couple of these because I use these not as much as I used to, but I still buy them because they're useful. These are the Equate makeup wipes. I go through these, like I said, quite a lot. So I've been repurchasing these for years, and I probably still will. I always get like the 2-pack from Walmart just because it's, I don't know, a better deal. I have a candle from Bath & Body Works. This is the Strawberry Pound Cake. I am kicking myself that I did not get more than one of these because this scent was so good. Like, if you remember the Strawberry Cream Savers, this is it. And I wish I had another one so I can burn it. But fall candles are out now, and I would love to pick up some, but I know I shouldn't. Next up is a Pixie Glow Tonic. This was one that Pixie sent me. It has my name on it, which my name is Ashley if you didn't know. And I used up all of this. It took me about 6 months to go through this entire bottle, and I actually have another one this size that I'm currently working on, but I really do like it. I do think it does help my skin. It's a glow tonic, so it's a little bit exfoliating, and then it has like a glowy property to it. Can I fully explain it to you? No, but I know that I like it and my skin likes it. I went through an entire setting powder. This like never happens, but of course this isn't the full size. This is the Hourglass Translucent Veil Setting Powder. This is the you know, the smaller one, but I used this up completely. I ended up taking off this, well, I can't get it off with my nails, but maybe, yeah, see, I took that off, the little sifter, just so I can get everything in it. I do like this powder, and I would repurchase it. I don't know if I would buy the full size, but I would probably buy the mini size because it's like 20 bucks maybe, and it lasted me quite a while with me using it every single day. I have some dry shampoos. So I have a mini one from Batiste, and then a regular size Batiste, and the fresh scent and original scent. These are quite nice. It's probably my favorite dry shampoo that I have tried. I've tried a few other ones, and they just haven't compared to this one. I never venture outside of like $10 for dry shampoo though, so I can't really say for the higher end ones, but drugstore-ish options, this one's bomb. More wipes. I am getting rid of this pair of lashes. This is Spellbound by House of Lashes. As you can see, I colored one white and one is just a normal black. So I'm just getting rid of it, not just because I colored it, but because on this side I actually ripped the lash in half one day when I was trying to put it on. But these lashes are gorgeous on, and I really need to pick up a new pair of this style. I have a micellar water. This is from Simple. It's the Sensitive Skin Expert, whatever. You can see what it is. I did like this, and it works very well at getting rid of eye makeup, which is what I've been using instead of using makeup wipes a lot. I've been delving back into micellar waters, and it's really nice. It's gentle on the skin. When you put it on the cotton pad, it doesn't require like overly tugging, especially around your eyes, if you know what I mean. And yeah, you don't have to rinse your face after this, but I do recommend after using this you wash your face. I have these that I'm gonna get rid of just because I've had them for a while and I don't reach for them, and I know they're probably not good anymore, but these are the Cosmic Eye Dust glitter things, whatever, from Black Moon Cosmetics. I did really like these when I first got them, and then they just kind of went into my drawer and I didn't really use them, but they're really pretty, and they have come out with new shades since they launched these, I think. Don't quote me on that, but yeah. I would probably repurchase them, probably not all of them, but a couple shades. I have a brush that I'm getting rid of. This was from the Pure and Brunch collection from last year. I think this is bleach on it. I don't know. Next, I have two balms that I completely finished from the same line, the Pharmacy Green Clean Balm. This stuff is amazing. I love it so much. I need to buy a new one, but it is so good. I highly recommend it. It really does help get all the makeup off. It doesn't make my skin feel super dry and tight afterwards, which does happen with some cleaning products, some balms at least. And it doesn't like feel like there's like a film or something left on my skin after this, which is amazing. I highly recommend this. I can't get enough of it. I love it so much. I use the Q-Tips cotton rounds. I'm not too picky when it comes to the cotton rounds, so I just pick whatever's available at the store when I need new ones. So I have a lash glue, the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. Why is that so hard for me to say? I love this stuff. It is so good for the lashes. It's not as strong as the House of Lashes lash glue, but it's the most comparable that I found, and it's pretty easy to actually remove, whereas the House of Lashes one, that one takes a while to get off your eyes, but this one's pretty easy. It has aloe in it, and I love that it's a brush on applicator. I can't do the whole like duo with the tip. I can't do that. I have to have a brush one. I have a couple foundations that I'm getting rid of. First up being the Makeup Forever stick foundations. I have the shade R230 and Y225. I'm getting rid of these. One, because I haven't touched them in a while, and two, they're not cruelty free, and three, they are extremely old, as in more than like 3 years old. So it's just time to say goodbye to them. I would not repurchase them though, just because, again, it's not cruelty free, and I try to stay within the realm of cruelty free for makeup. I have this Too Faced Born This Way foundation that I'm getting rid of. This is in the shade Snow. Snow was originally one of their lighter shades, and I think they have a even lighter shade out now. I think it's called Cloud. But Swan is just still way too dark on me. I do really like this formula though, and if I can find a shade that would work for me, I would love to pick it up again. But until then, I'm just going to pass this along, and by along I mean into the trash. Alright, and same is going to go for these. These are the NYX Total Control Foundation Drops. I have it in Pale and Alabaster, the two lightest shades in the line. And when I first got them, I used them and I thought I liked them, and then I tried them again recently. They're definitely expired, but they just didn't work on my skin. And my skin has gotten better. It's not as dry as it used to be, but even still, it just doesn't really work. You have to use a ton of drops to actually like build any coverage on your face, and I don't like it. Next up is the shaving cream from EOS. I don't know, it's in the pink one. Does it have a scent? I don't know. Did I like it? It was okay. It was okay. I probably wouldn't repurchase this again. I'd probably just get something not as expensive, because right now I'm using I think it's Skintimate. Maybe, I don't know. Next up is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. I think, yeah, there's still definitely product in here. I've used it a couple times, and I'm just getting rid of it because I do not like it. I don't like how it makes my skin feel. I don't think it does a very good job at purifying my pores, and it just, I think the scent on it I don't like either. So it's just all around not into it, and something that expensive, and for me to not like it, I just don't want to hold on to it. Another skincare item is this LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It is an anti-wrinkle day cream. I use this up completely, and this is so good. I would love to repurchase this. I think it's almost like $80 though, but it was really nice. I loved it for a day cream. It was probably my favorite day cream that I've tried. I do have others that I like, but I really like this. My skin really liked it, and I think my skin kind of misses it. I have a little baby rose tonic from Pixie. This is the Nourishing Toner. I like it, probably not as much as the Glow Tonic, but I haven't used it enough to know like if it has that much of a difference from the Glow Tonic. But I did like it. I do have another one that I will use eventually that I haven't opened yet, but I'll get to it eventually. Next up is the Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum from Drunk Elephant. This stuff is amazing. I really love it. I sometimes will just use it as a moisturizer, but most times I would mix it in with like an oil or another like moisturizer just to give an added boost of hydration, which is what it's used for, and it's phenomenal. I've repurchased this again. I have the full size, I have another mini size. I love this stuff. Drunk Elephant is like hands down one of my favorite skincare brands, and I will continue to buy from them. Next up is the It's a 10 Miracle Hair Mask. This I didn't find did much to my hair. Most hair masks don't do anything to my hair. Yes, I bleached it. It's a little more dry than usual, but I didn't feel like this did anything to it much. Was my hair a little bit softer? Yes, but it wasn't very hydrated after that, so I didn't really care for it, and I probably wouldn't repurchase it again. I have two beauty blenders I'm gonna get rid of. This one's the black one, and this one it's old, and it's literally like the last time I washed it, it was falling apart. And this one is just old and overly stained, and I just gonna get rid of them. I have this mini makeup remover from Chlorine. It was okay, not my favorite. Didn't do as great of a job as anything else that I use, but it was nice to like mix up the products I use every now and then. I have an eye cream from Derma E. This is the hydrating eye cream. I don't like this. I still have some product left in here, but I was just trying to use it up, and I wasn't seeing anything. It wasn't doing anything for my under eyes, and I was just like, why am I even using this? So I got rid of this when I picked up some other skincare products which had an eye cream with it, which I'm using the Drunk Elephant under eye cream, the orange one. I have 3 lipsticks I'm getting rid of. These are liquid lips from Pop Beauty. They were, some of them was with like influencers or whatever. I'm getting rid of them because I didn't really care for the formula, and color wise they were okay. It's just I didn't reach for them, and I don't feel comfortable donating anything with a doe foot like that, so I'm just gonna toss them. I know this wasn't cruelty free, but this was a very mini MAC Fix Plus, and I've never used MAC apart from this, and I just got this in a sample, and I was using this to wet a brush for a more metallic look on my eyes, but other than that, I mean, it's a setting spray. You can find that with any brand. Getting down to the wire, I have this little lip balm from Skin Fix. I didn't really care for it, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. I have this little lipstick from Smashbox. I just didn't care for it, color-wise and formula-wise, and so I'm just gonna get rid of it. I have 3 liners from ColourPop that I'm getting rid of, one being Puppy, one being Maybe, and Piggy Bank. I actually believe I have some of these colors again, at least Puppy and Piggy Bank, so I'm just getting rid of them. In this packaging, I don't care for them. They break too easily, they don't apply to the waterline easy. Maybe it's just me, but I didn't like these. I have this little pigment from, well, it says Kitten Empire Cosmetics, but they changed their name to Angel Empire Cosmetics. It's in the shade Zombie Love. It was this very vivid, pretty green pigment, and I dropped it on my carpet, and my carpet's still kind of green, so that's awesome. But yeah, nothing really left in there. I did get another one of these, so I'm happy I have that again. I really enjoyed that brand, which you can find on Instagram. And last 2 items, one is a brow product, one is a liner. This is the NYX Vivid Brights liner in the orange shade, which is Vivid Delight. And I thought it had a different name. I'm getting rid of this because when I bought it, like, that is what it looked like when it came out. I tried using it, I tried fixing it, and it just wasn't working. It got really clumpy, and it's like, forget about it, I'm just gonna toss it. And then the last item is the Brow Wiz from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Auburn, which is my go-to for brows. I definitely, nothing left in there at all. I love this pencil. It is one that I gravitate towards all the time. It's definitely a favorite of mine, and I have already repurchased this again, even though I have a bunch of brow products I just need to get through. But this is my go-to if I need a quick brow. I know this is something that works very well for me, and I can use it in any situation, and I like my brows after it. But yeah, that completes my empties. So thanks for going through my trash with me. I actually am surprised that I saved up as much trash as I did. I know a lot of stuff I threw out as I was using it, so it is what it is, but this is majority. And yeah, if you like these types of videos, let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will be sure to keep saving my trash. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.
2, 3, 4. Let's go now.